Have you ever noticed how the loudest person in the room is usually the weakest? They talk non-stop, trying to prove themselves, revealing everything, fears, plans, insecurities, without realizing it. But the most powerful people, they say less, observe more, and let their silence do the talking. Law 4 of the 48 Laws of Power states, always say less than necessary. This isn't just about talking less. It's about controlling your presence. When you speak less, people listen more. They wonder what you're thinking, and that mystery gives you power. Silence makes people respect you because it forces them to fill in the blanks. Speaking too much is dangerous. The more you talk, the more likely you are to say something you regret, reveal a weakness, or give others information they can use against you. Powerful people understand that words should be used like a weapon, only when needed, and always with precision. So, here's your challenge. The next time you're in a conversation, resist the urge to fill the silence. Pause before you speak. Say only what's necessary. Watch how people react. Watch how they start paying closer attention to you. Because in a world where everyone is shouting, the one who stays silent holds all the power.